In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix issues when applying for a Monzo loan. If you've run into roadblocks or you're not seeing the option you expected, this walkthrough will help you understand what Monzo looks for and how to set yourself up for a smoother application from start to finish. Start by opening a Monzo current account, since loans are only available through the app for eligible account holders. Make sure you fully complete the in-app identity checks and confirm your personal details, including your address. Keeping the app updated and enabling notifications helps you catch any requests for documents or follow-ups quickly. If something doesn't verify on the first try, recheck the photo ID lighting and clarity, and ensure the name and address you enter match your official records. Next, use Monzo for your income. Routing your salary or regular income into Monzo gives the bank a clearer picture of your earnings and spending patterns, which directly affects eligibility and the amount you might be offered. Consistent incoming payments for a few cycles can help the system build confidence. Day to day, try to avoid unarranged overdrafts, keep bills paid on time, and maintain a buffer so your balance doesn't dip unexpectedly. These habits support affordability assessments. When you're ready, check your eligibility in the app by heading to the borrowing or loans section. If you see an eligibility checker, that usually runs a soft search that won't affect your credit score and shows an indicative rate and amount. If you don't see any options, don't panic. Confirm your profile details are accurate. Make sure your address and name match what credit reference agencies have on file, and continue using your Monzo account for regular income. Often, more account history helps. If you're eligible, apply for the loan right in the app. Choose an amount and term that fit your budget, then carefully review the APR, the total amount repayable, and the monthly payment. Pick a repayment date that lines up with your payday to reduce the risk of missed payments. Be aware that the final application usually includes a hard credit check. Only proceed if you're comfortable you can afford the repayments throughout the term. Once approved, manage your loan from the app. You can see your balance, schedule, and remaining interest at a glance. Keep automatic repayments switched on, enable payment reminders, and consider making extra payments if you want to reduce interest. Monzo will show you updated figures before you confirm. If your payday changes, adjust your repayment date to match. And if you ever anticipate difficulty making a payment, reach out through in-app support early so you can discuss options before a due date is missed. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll give yourself the best chance of a smooth Monzo loan experience.